Hello, and welcome to this video on how to integrate Google Sheets into the Akkio platform. My name is Jeff Matthews. I am the head of enablement at Akkio, and I'm going to walk you through this nice and simple. So first, we're going to go into accounts, and we're going to take a look at our account settings. And we're going to take a look down here at our integrations. As you can see right now, I actually already have Google Sheets integrated. I also have several other integrations that we have as options. But for now, I'm going to remove the Google Sheets integration so we can do it together. Perfect. Now, I'm also going to click here on the Help Center, and you can see that we have some videos that you have available to you. These videos will expand over time. And then we also have the Akkio documentation. Looking at the Akkio documentation, you'll be able to go in and see that under Setting Up Integrations, we have the ability to go to Google Sheets and walk through this process here as well. So we will be mirroring this process in this video. So feel free to follow along if you like. Also, you have under deploying a model, the ability to look into how to deploy a Google Sheets model. So we can click right here and see that it is also there. So this is broken up into two sections. You can look at the deployment video separately if you would like. So back to Akkio. We no longer have this integration set up. We're going to close this off and we're going to go here. So the first thing you do is you create a new flow. You'll see that we have some integrations set up and now we have our Google Sheets not connected. We'll go into Google Sheets and it's going to want us to connect a data set. Now I do have data sets that came in from Google Sheets from when my integration was last here. So these are saved within the Akkio platform. But what we need to do is we need to connect a new data sheet. So you can do that over in the big icon or always up on the top left. Oh no, now we need to connect our Google Sheets. So let's do that. Nice and easy. You can see it's going to be connecting to my Jeff at ack.io. So we got that. You'll want to make sure that you are allowing it to do all of these options. So we're going to click allow. I trust the company. I work for us, so I hopefully would. Let that go through. And now you can see we have a display of all of the options that I have from my Google Drive and my Google Sheets location to bring things in. Now, some of these are probably not going to work. The onboarding document from when I first started, probably not formatted like data. However, the enablement roadmap, also probably not formatted as data. But we do have one here, which would be a lead scoring demo. So let's try that. You'll also notice that these have a black line at the top and aren't those colorful options we were seeing earlier. That's because these exist only in Google Sheets and have not been imported into the platform yet. So we're going to click on this one. And now we'll see that it's been brought in, has a name default assigned to it. And we click on it again, and here we are. We'll let this data set load. And you can see right here, we have information pulled in right from Google Drive. Nice and easy. Here now we can look through our data, we can do chat data prep, anything we want to do, take a look at explore the data, ask it questions, all of the things you would expect to do from a CSV you uploaded is available here now for Google Sheets. If you'd like to see how to deploy and work with Google Sheets, please take a look at that video. Otherwise, thank you for your time, and I will probably see you in another video.